Welcome, tech aficionados. You're watching Product Critique, the go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of connectivity with the BENFEI USB 3.0 to VGA adapter. But before we delve into the details, let's shine a light on some key features of the BENFEI USB 3.0 to VGA adapter. This portable adapter is designed for on-the-go use. It lets you connect a computer, laptop, or desktop with a USB 3.0 port to devices like monitors, projectors, or HD TVs with a VGA port. It's so compact you can slip it into your bag or pocket for business presentations or extending your desktop screen effortlessly. The BENFEI USB 3.0 to VGA adapter boasts built-in advanced IC chip technology, transforming a USB 3.0 digital signal into a VGA analog signal. Plus, its molded strain relief enhances cable durability. Note that while this adapter is versatile, it's not compatible with the MacBook featuring the M1 chipset due to chipset limitations. Expect incredible performance with support for resolutions up to 1920 by 1080 at 60 Hz. This adapter can handle various resolutions, including 720p, 1600 by 1200, and 1280 by 1024, ensuring your visuals are top-notch. Just ensure that your USB slot is USB 3.0 for optimal performance. USB 2.0 slots can only support 800 by 600 at 60 Hz. The BENFEI USB 3.0 to VGA adapter is widely compatible with computers, PCs, desktops, laptops, ultrabooks, and notebooks running Windows OS. It supports popular Windows versions, including Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 8, and Windows 7. Worried about durability? Don't be. BENFEI offers an exclusive unconditional 18-month warranty, ensuring your satisfaction for an extended period. Plus, their customer service team is friendly and ready to assist you with any issues that may arise. Now, let's take a closer look at the BENFEI USB 3.0 to VGA adapter. This adapter is compatible with a wide range of devices, including computers, PCs, desktops, laptops, ultrabooks, and notebooks equipped with USB slots. It operates seamlessly with various Windows operating systems, making it incredibly versatile. When it comes to visuals, the BENFEI USB 3.0 to VGA adapter doesn't disappoint. It supports resolutions up to 1920 x 1080 at 60 Hz, providing you with crystal clear images and exceptional clarity. Even 720p and 1600 by 1200 resolutions are a breeze. Durability and reliability matter. The BENFEI adapter features a robust and dependable connector built to withstand daily plugging and unplugging. It also adopts advanced chipsets to ensure compatibility and avoid signal interference. If you're worried about wear and tear, don't be. The adapter boasts a reinforced joint for added durability and an aluminum case that prolongs its service life. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and use wherever you need it. And now, a word on troubleshooting. If you encounter issues with your BENFEI USB 3.0 to VGA adapter, here are some solutions. To sum it up, the BENFEI USB 3.0 to VGA adapter offers a compact design, superior stability, incredible performance, broad compatibility, and peace of mind with its 18-month warranty. Whether you're a professional or simply need a reliable adapter, this one has you covered. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful tech reviews. Have you ever used a USB to VGA adapter, or do you have any questions about this one in particular? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, your destination for all things tech. Until next time, stay connected and stay tuned for more exciting product reviews.